Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to create passkey security for WhatsApp account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp. It can be normal WhatsApp or business WhatsApp, whichever way you are good to go. Just follow the step. So I'm going to simply click on my business WhatsApp right here. Then having opened up my WhatsApp, next thing I'm going to do is to click on this three slider from the top. Click on this three dot. This is drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. And just like so, it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on accounts. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Passkeys. Just like so, it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on create. That's going to take you to this particular web page. What you need to do is to simply click on continue. Then enter your passkey pattern. Successfully created. So you can see it right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to create passkey to improve the security access to your WhatsApp. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.